Welcome back. We're making Wicked movie coming out. Didn't watch the first one, wasn't quite into it. We got a mix to reveal, so we're gonna make cupcakes. Last time we made cake pops when Wicked came out, and they were going, I'm sure this time they'll go, like a little opera. I'm thinking opera. I'm hoping they do some opera. Maybe I'll watch the first one just to get clothes, you know. Although I've figured out kind of what it was. Oh, and it comes with these things. The cups. So, I mean, I don't really have to deal with that. Yeah. Oh. I need this. Honestly, I'm 1000% sure you put these in there. I haven't made cupcakes in a very long time. Hey! Mixing bowl. Because I need a mixing bowl. Maybe I should get all the ingredients. Oh, one's in Chinese. Oh wait, that's Spanish. I'm sorry if I offended anybody by just saying that right then and there. Oh, we get to make whipped topping too. Wait, which one's the milk? Wait! Which one do we use for the whipped topping? Does it matter? I need to preheat the oven. Okay. Is this a non-stick pan? I'm gonna do 325. I'll just do 350. That's a little now. This is our magical wishing powder. Okay, like I'm not already emotionally ill. Okay. I'm supposed to mix all of it, like the egg, the tablespoon, the tablespoon, the oil, the vegetable oil, and the egg. It does, and the good thing, this is the cupcake mix. I think water would be nice. Yeah? I'm scared. We do need vegetable oil actually too. These are not tablespoons. I didn't need this, but it's fine. Oh, we got pink. Oh! Did you see the way it just like moved? Can you see that? Oh, you can't see that. It just like, okay. Well, there we go. I was hoping for more of a surprise. Sitting here sipping, I'm going to. Please be not a weird cat. Okay. There's some energy packet I'm drinking. I don't need this anymore. Do I? You never know. Anyway, so I got an energy. It's got watermelon. I think that's a Zen, but anyway. It fizzes like soda. So last time when we got the cake pops, it was green. This time it's pink, and I'm quite tired. And last time, when it was green, I think I wanted the pink because I I didn't want the Wicked Witch of the West because she killed Dorothy or whatever. She didn't kill Dorothy. She wanted to kill Dorothy though. It was like, I'm gonna eat you for dinner. I'm sure while I make. Oh, here's one. Oh, it's a white one. That's so funny. I didn't see a white one. Is that the only white one? That is the funniest thing ever. That one's mine. I call dibs on the white one. Because it's the only one. Why is there a random white one? So it'll, oh shoot. Then it doesn't really fit the thing. Sorry. You can come over here though, wait one. We might need you for the whip topping, you never know. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in. It says evenly. I hear Jock getting home. Okay. Just go with the flow.
It's you, it's all for you. Everything I do, I tell you all the time. Heaven is a place on earth with you. Tell me all the things you wanna do. I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true? It's better than I ever even knew. They say that the world was built for two, only worth living if somebody is loving you. Baby, now you do.
Now we have to do the whip topping. So, a cup of milk. I don't even know if we have a cup of milk. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest. We got what we got. Does this not change color? I'm gonna be real sad if these don't change color. Oh wait, this said slow. For 30. Look at this. They're cooking. They're looking good. There's so many ways to be wicked. We got all the ways to be W-S-C-K-E-D. Hey, hey, got it. It don't look like a mess right now anymore. See? I just had to sing the Wicked song. Dish, dish, taking out of my dish. So many ways to be wicked. I have made whipped cream officially. But my hand hurts now. There's 3 minutes left, okay? This is what it looks like. They might have to go on like for like another 3 more minutes, but I don't know. Oh my god, the whipped cream. Okay, we're back. After sitting for a while. Oh, those are done. That's hot. Hey, let's just burning that 350 degrees. Wow. Take a pretty pictures. All I need is a little good news. Ready? So many ways to be wicked. Born, live, having some fun. You take what you want. There's so many ways to be wicked. Oh. Got a whip top of mouse, apparently. I didn't realize I made that. I'm not very well at this. Maybe I should let it cool longer. Look at this. It's just plopping down. Is that its job? Its duty? Hero's duty. It's really melting. They're cool. I'll come back to you when they're, you know.